Welcome to another video and episode on my driving robot Discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux with two touch sensors on front, active sonar on front, an LED to signal different distances, as well as when a trajectory change is due, and the propeller to signal that the algorithm is still running, programmed in Python, and trying to bump into an object. Motors are encoder motors actually, and programmed to run 350 pulses. And last time I tried to find differences and how much difference there is between the motors in cover distance. Unfortunately, I cannot read the motors in the way that I know what distance they have covered and then set them. Well, I should be able to. Theoretically I can, but that gives a huge change in the code, which I want to keep to as simple as possible. Colors not used for the time being, since the camera which was located here to differentiate the colors does not work with the current firmware, and I haven't yet received an answer from the developer if it works again or not. So first thing first, let's start the controller and see if I can make contact. So, time for software. Alright, the software side, camera pointed to the controller, ready to enter the SSH, the secure shell environment, with which I am directly on the controller, and RoboPro to test a few things. First of all, connect the battery, power, and let's see if everything works as should. Not only the boot, but also the connection. Let's wait and see. Community edition, okay, system, and default user interface, all correct, nice. So let's make contact, and that doesn't go well. That is not good. Now it does. Nice. Alright. Very nice. This one as well. And very good. Then let's move the camera a bit backwards and test anything. So now I have to make sure that I am using this IP address and connect. Alright, so 7 for voltage, that's good. 8 for sonar, and that is good as well. and then touching. Yes, and oh, that keeps hanging, but yeah, that keeps hanging. Okay, not that good, but it works. And testing for motors. So low speed, go, and yeah, nice, and nice. Other way, yep, and other way, stop and stop. That's proven to be nice and good, which means that with the distance to be covered of, well, let's say over 60 centimeters, the distance has to be a bit longer, so let's move it here. That's nice. Now we are ready and set to go, I think, except for the date to be set. Otherwise, well, it's more important with images, but with this one it's good as well. 2019 7 and 08. And then date, time is 10:36. Go, password, and we're done. We're set. Good. All tested. Let's go further. So, last time I made a new start with distances, and I wanted to know that if the distance is, let's say, different from left to right, then motor rechts distance, motor links distance, what is the distance? And I started with an error that I made it with the contact only. So when those two switches, being this one and this one, were contacted, but that is right at the end of the ride. Now I've put it right at almost at the end of the ride, and actually I want to know it a lot sooner. So if I go up, I should have done that last time, I'm not quite sure. Let me go to line 500, then it is almost the furthest sonar there is, and yeah, I'm not comparing them. I should compare them. So let's go to 1300 where I did it, I think. No, that's 4 and that's smaller than 4. This between 4 and 10. And of course I can check this with the datalog. Looking for groter, and then we have that one. So I look here for, and I get this one, and that is the part that I was looking for, which is contact is 1, and then the next occurrence yes, that is 30 and 35. And the next one is 55. So I should do that at this point as well. So that means that I probably have to introduce this one, this whole statement in the previous if statement as well. Motor rest, motor links, that's good. And then have this whole part, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 lines copied. And before distance left. And that's another one, because where do I have that? Nowhere. Oh, that's a nice one. Remaining distance, string distance left. So if I have an left to right string distance left, I don't have that. Oh, how nice. No, oh, that's here. Right. So this is the part. Very good. Now I have to adapt it to this part of the software. Be careful. So this is a 55 and 60. That's good. And of course this part as well. And now this means that I can use this throughout. Wait, where's my cursor? Here. Good, very good. Now, hopefully the battery is still in good shape. Yeah, reasonably. Now the battery pack is charging right now, so I could do it. Now time to run it, and let me move so camera a bit. Right. Let's see. It's from 60 to 0. Go. What happens? If anything. Line 497. Where? What? How? Non-UTM. Oh, of course. Yeah. That's a nice one. I forgot to do that one as well. So I forgot to put this here and then copy it and add left. So this is one, and then copy paste and make this left, and then of course this one also. Now it can work. I would think. I would think. And this is 498. Yeah, right. Underscore. Devil once again in the details. Now let's go. And that is a hit. And the display flash. And now the curious thing that obviously the propeller has stopped, but you can see that the algorithm has not quit. Let's examine the data. Alright, looking at the data file, there's only one occurrence, and that is with A3035. And then it dawned on me that I didn't even put this one inside, because I have now two occurrences of rechtsgrootte, which is with 5560 and with 3035. So now I have to really put into it that those are there. And then of course I have another one to go. Which will be right here, and this one has to be prepared for it as well. So this one will be and that goes wrong. That is really wrong. Now I've made a mistake, obviously. So I have to correct this. And that is right. That is better, but this is the way it should be, and then this also. Save, and now copy all those lines, 8 pieces below. Go to string, left string, yeah, and no, wrong. Still wrong. Here, that's better. And of course I have to adapt everything here once again. So I'll do it off screen and test. So ready for new test. Measuring 60 centimeters. That will be all. Again, some distance with the camera, and let's see how things go. I have here everything put for 2530. Go, and this may be a nice idea as well. Oh, I made an error in programming. Line 690 Oh yeah, right. Which is here, of course. And let's take this one. Very good. And then I have to do it here as well. Yeah. Right. Let's try again. Measure the distance again. Almost a little bit further back, and then we are 60. Very good. So let's go again. Handheld camera. And now you see it goes different. Really, why? 50, 30. Oh, that's not good. 701. Where did I go wrong? It is 2530. This should be 2530. Okay, I made clearly a mistake there. Yeah, but it is in line 701. Oh, right. 25. Little mistakes. Taking time. Not nice. Alright. Try again. And a little bit backwards, that's alright. 60. Hind wheel, and hind wheel inline as well, that rides better. So go. And right, so in these three runs you could clearly see that its behavior is more or less unpredictable, because first it goes left, then it goes right, and then it goes right through. So you can't count on anything in that respect, strangely enough. Let's do it again. Quite interesting, this. Quite a distance, and a new measurement, which is, yep, that's 60. One guess is good. First guess is good. Camera in hand, and go. What will it be this time? I didn't put the hand wheel straight in line, but it corrects itself. This time it goes a bit left to the right side. Ah, and look at this. How nice this is. This is something I would expect. Let's do it again. New measurement of 60. Yep, correct. Let's keep the objects the way they are. And once again. why is this? Oh, that may be, wait, what is the camera, the battery voltage? 8.6. Okay, let's just try it. Otherwise I have to replace the battery pack. Okay. Data and yeah, nothing there. I think I will have to replace the battery. Let's check again. No, it's 8.5. That should not be necessary. This is strange. Another attempt. Yeah, again. Okay, this is odd. It doesn't want to do anything. How much time left? Oh, not much. Yeah, what to do about this one? Nice question. I don't even have a datalog now, so I can test. Replace battery. Alright, battery pack replaced. And let's try to run it this time. Go. Okay. Well, now the battery pack is really loaded, as this proves. So whatever this is not going well. No. Oh wait. I think I realize what is going on. I noticed at the beginning that this switch wasn't operating. Look. And that is very nice. So that was not the battery pack after all, it was the left hand switch that was the problem. And now a nice question is, how about the data file? Looking for groter. And now I see where it goes first. 2 difference. So the first occurrence has a difference of 2. And not at 60, but at 35. And this is a very nice test indeed. And I think I'll leave it at that for now. So with this unnecessary battery change and a sensor that was giving false information. Well, the information was correct because it was pressed, but it didn't need to be pressed. So, false and not false. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your appreciation with a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned. Please see my Patreon page for that, and all information including Patreon page and website etc. is under this video. Likely to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.